Hey everyone, welcome back to the Money Blueprint. One of the biggest things I emphasize on this channel is the importance of building wealth and achieving financial freedom. And one of the best ways to do that is by diversifying your income streams. Today we're diving deep into the world of side hustles, those awesome gigs you can do on the side to make extra cash. Whether you're trying to pay off debt, save for a down payment, or just want more breathing room in your budget, a solid side hustle can be a game changer. So, if you're ready to start boosting your income and taking control of your financial future, buckle up. We're about to break down the top 10 side hustles that can help you crush your financial goals in 2024 and beyond. First up, we've got freelancing. If you've got a skill, any skill that's in demand, you can turn it into a lucrative side hustle. We're talking writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, virtual assisting, you name it. Businesses are always looking for talented people to help them out, but they don't always need a full-time employee. Freelancing lets you set your own hours, be your own boss, and work from anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. The better you get at your craft and the more clients you take on, the more money you can make. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to connect with potential clients from all over the world. So, if you're looking for a side hustle that's flexible, scalable, and lets you put your skills to good use, freelancing is definitely worth checking out. Next up, we're talking about online courses and ebooks. If you're passionate about something, cooking, photography, coding, personal finance, there are people out there who want to learn from you. Creating and selling online courses or ebooks is an amazing way to generate passive income. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it easy to create and host your courses, while Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is great for self-publishing ebooks. The key is to find a niche that you're knowledgeable about and that has an audience of eager learners. So, if you've got valuable knowledge to share and you're looking for a side hustle with serious passive income potential, consider diving into online courses and ebooks. Now let's talk about blogging and affiliate marketing. Blogging is still a viable way to make money online in 2024 and beyond. The key to successful blogging is to be passionate about your niche and create high-quality content that provides value to your readers. Once you've built up a loyal following, you can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you partner with brands and promote their products or services on your blog. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. You don't need to create your own products or deal with customer service. So, if you're a natural storyteller with a passion for sharing your thoughts and experiences, blogging and affiliate marketing could be the perfect side hustle for you. Alright, let's talk about print on demand, or POD for short. This side hustle is perfect for creative entrepreneurs who love designing cool stuff. With POD, you can create custom designs for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, you name it, and sell them online without ever touching inventory. You create a design, upload it to a POD platform like Printful, Printify, or Redbubble, and they handle the rest. When someone orders your product, the POD company prints, packages, and ships it directly to the customer. The startup costs are super low, so you can experiment with different designs and products. Plus, you can create a unique brand and sell products that you're passionate about. So, if you've got a knack for design and you're looking for a low-risk, high-reward side hustle, check out Print on Demand. Next up, we're talking about rental income. If you've got an extra room, a basement apartment, or even an entire property sitting vacant, you could be sitting on a goldmine of passive income. Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO have made it easier than ever to list your space and connect with travelers from all over the world. You can rent out your space on a nightly, weekly, or even monthly basis, depending on your preferences and local regulations. The key to success with short-term rentals is to create a comfortable and inviting space that guests will love. Think about what amenities travelers value most, like a comfortable bed, a well-equipped kitchen, and high-speed Wi-Fi. Properties located in desirable areas with easy access to attractions, restaurants, and transportation tend to command higher rental rates. So, if you're comfortable with the idea of sharing your space and you're looking for a side hustle that can generate significant passive income, explore short-term rentals. Now let's dive into the world of dropshipping. This e-commerce model has exploded in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It's a low-risk way to start an online business without dealing with inventory management. You create an online store and partner with a dropshipping supplier who handles the storage, packaging, and shipping of your products. When a customer places an order on your store, the order is automatically fulfilled by the supplier, and the product is shipped directly to the customer. You don't need to invest in inventory up front, which significantly reduces your financial risk. You can test different products and niches without worrying about unsold inventory. Plus, you can run your dropshipping business from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Chapter 7. Stock photography and videography, turning your passion into passive income. Calling all photographers and videographers. If you're passionate about capturing stunning visuals, you can turn that passion into a lucrative side hustle by selling your photos and videos as stock content. Businesses, bloggers, and content creators are constantly on the lookout for high-quality images and videos to use in their marketing materials, websites, and social media posts. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock Photo, and Pond5 make it easy to upload your work and start earning royalties every time someone licenses your content. The more photos and videos you upload, the more potential you have to earn passive income. Focus on creating high-quality, commercially viable content. Think about the types of images and videos that businesses and creators are most likely to need, such as lifestyle shots, business concepts, and nature scenes. So, if you've got a knack for photography or videography, and you're looking for a way to monetize your passion, explore the world of stock content. Now, this next one might not be a traditional side hustle, but it's an incredibly powerful way to build wealth over time investing. Think of it as the ultimate side hustle that works for you even while you sleep. The key to successful investing is to start early, be consistent, and take a long-term approach. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compound interest. There are tons of different investment options out there, from stocks and bonds to real estate and cryptocurrency. It's important to do your research and choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. One of my favorite ways to invest is through low-cost index funds. Index funds are like baskets of stocks that track a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. They're a great way to diversify your portfolio and reduce your risk. So, if you're serious about building long-term wealth, make investing a part of your financial strategy. Alright, let's talk about tutoring. If you've got a knack for explaining complex concepts in a way that's easy to understand, tutoring could be the perfect side hustle for you. Whether you excel in math, science, English, history, or any other subject, there are students out there who could benefit from your expertise. You can offer your tutoring services online through platforms like TutorMe, Schooly, and Chegg Tutors, or you can go the traditional route and tutor students in person. Online tutoring offers flexibility and convenience, while in-person tutoring allows for more personalized instruction. The key to success with tutoring is to be patient, encouraging, and passionate about helping students succeed. When you create a positive and supportive learning environment, students are more likely to thrive. Tutoring can be an incredibly rewarding side hustle, both financially and personally. Last but not least, we've got pet sitting and dog walking. If you're an animal lover, this side hustle lets you combine your passion with a way to earn extra income. Platforms like Rover and Wag have made it easier than ever to connect with pet owners in your area who need someone to watch their furry friends. You can offer a variety of services, including dog walking, pet sitting, drop-in visits, and even overnight stays. The key to success with pet sitting and dog walking is to be reliable, responsible, and genuinely care about the well-being of the animals you're entrusted with. And the best part? You get to spend time with adorable animals while getting paid for it. It's a win-win situation. So there you have it, 10 awesome side hustles that can help you boost your income and achieve your financial goals in 2024 and beyond. Remember, side hustles aren't just about making extra cash. They're about taking control of your finances, diversifying your income streams, and building a more secure financial future. Many of these side hustles can be started with little to no upfront investment, and can be scaled up or down depending on your schedule and goals. So, what are you waiting for? Choose a side hustle that excites you, take action, and start building the financial future of your dreams.